Our Black Friday sale is now available on the website for the remainder of the month. This will apply on the ebook, course and mentorship plans. Private message me on Twitter, links down below for more information, or head straight to the website. Welcome back to another Injective protocol video. In my last update, which was somewhere last week, we were down over here at the 200 EMA, and I've been telling you over the past weeks that this is considered the bottom of our uptrend and that it needs to be protected in order to get bullish continuation and breaking this $19 high to get back up to our previous all-time high of $27. And we are working our way level by level over here. Since actually making the video update, I was suggesting that we'd top out at the golden pocket, which we saw so over here, then that we'd come back down to test some key levels of support, pretty much where we're seeing these lowest bodies over here. And this is still all above the 200 EMA, which is our bottom of our uptrend. So if we are to break this high, we shouldn't be going lower than this point. So we came back down, actually held above it, and with that breaking through the moving averages, which is pretty much this move over here, and then again now actually looking to push through the golden pocket right over here and flipping it into support is so vital in order to do so if we want to see this eventual continuation above $19, this high over here. So what now needs to happen? Understand that as we have a body over here acting as resistance, we have got rejected over the past few hours, over the past couple of days or so. We've had rejections over here at the golden pocket, and we need to actually break this level in order to create the reversal wave, which is giving a much higher likelihood that we will not only break the $19 high but head to our previous all-time high of $27, which would be a nice, incredible move, as we started to experience at the end of last week, with Injective climbing from $14 to $17 in a matter of days. So of course over here this was a 22% move for us holders, so very nice to see as over the past couple of weeks Injective did start to tail off a little bit. It started to relax after having an incredible pump. I think it was over 100% move to this current price from about $8 to about nearly $20 over here. And so it's just cooling off essentially, and it's creating those key levels that need to be broken and then obviously flipped into support, which is this golden pocket area over here where the reversal wave is created. Because if it continues to act as resistance, we've seen previously it does bring rejections, but if we fail to keep breaking through this golden pocket, it could be a moment where we do eventually see this 200 EMA giving in, flipping this trend into a bearish trend, looking for retests of a lower support, and then obviously a better opportunity to get in and DCA at. However, we don't have to go lower. You just need to break through this golden pocket in order to create the reversal wave. This is what I would usually be saying. And in order to get up to those targets, you just need to see closes above this point of it flipping into support. So we're seeing a pump up into there being used as support now. Let's now break through. And so usually I would say the golden pocket is the level that you need to break, but there's always more to it. We're not just blindly following the Fibonacci rules. We're looking at other candle closes, and we can see over here on multiple occasions have we actually seen resistance points being confirmed at the 786 fib. So I would personally like to see $18 being broken, a nice psychological level. And if we do see 4-hour or even daily candle closes through the 786 here at $18, then it's highly likely that we do actually continue to our higher price targets, eventually resulting in the previous all-time high here at $27. But understand that along that path, we can of course deviate from it. We can invalidate it. So as soon as we do get through the 786, we need to see it being held as support, this whole area between the $16.45 and $17.90. And then with that, we'll then continue to these first set of targets over here. Now, as we do have a target slightly beneath the previous all-time high, could be that we top out slightly before it. So what I'll be looking at is between $20 and $23 as my first set of targets. This is where we could pull back for continuation or have a deeper retracement back down to the 1 or the 786 fib before continuation higher. Understand that once the reversal wave is actually created, all you need to do going forward is actually hold above this area. So once we break through, we will eventually meet all of these higher up targets, as long as we now maintain this golden pocket for the continuation higher. That is it from me today. I want to know your thoughts in the comment section below, whether you think we will take this bullish path Again, this will only happen once the reversal wave is created by breaking through the 786. So understand until those very moments, there's still risks of flipping this into a downtrend and losing the 200 EMA. So I want to know your thoughts in the comment section below. What path do you believe will be taken as we are currently above the 200 EMA? I want to see this continue to hold. So over the next 2 days or so, let's see this breakout. If it does not come, then we're looking for a retracement back down to the 200 EMA, where a bounce must go back on that original path. Otherwise, we'll be using this as resistance to continue lower. For now, I'm going to be a bull as we're above this, and we're looking to just push through this area. But if we start to come down and use the golden pocket as resistance and we see the 200 EMA being lost, I'll have to flip bearish. But for now, let's see this $19 high eventually being broken. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I do still have discounts until the end of this month, so for the next few days, on my course, ebook, and mentorship plan. Cheers, everyone. Our Black Friday sale is now available on the website for the remainder of the month. This will apply on the ebook, course, and mentorship plans. Private message me on Twitter, links down below for more information, or head straight to the website. Cheers, everyone.